in software development. So, ever written a class that does everything from fetching data to saving files to showing UI? Actually, that is a coding crime. So, today I will show you how to fix it with single responsibility principle. So, it is a part of solid principles which contains five simple rules to write clean and maintainable code. So, let's dive into the first, the S, solid responsibility principle. So, it says that a class should do only one job. If it's doing more than one job, it will going to become a problem sooner or later. So we will see what a bad code example looks like. So here's a common mistake I see all the time. Let's see with example. The user manager class is handling saving users to the database and also sending welcome emails. Two totally different responsibilities all jammed into one class. So let's see what's the problem with this code. So the class has now two reasons to change. If the email format changes, the class has to be modified. If the database logic changes, again, the class has to be touched. That makes the code harder to maintain and more error prone. So in the end, what I can say is if a class has multiple reasons to change, that is not a class, actually that is a bug factory. So we will move ahead with a good example and see how does it look like. So here we will fix it with SRP. So we split the responsibilities into two separate classes. User repository, handle saving user to the database, and the other one is email services, sending a welcome email. Each one is now focused, clean, and easier to test. So we will see why it is better. So now this is what clean code look like. So it each class has one job only. So if changes to email logic, you only need to update email service. If database update, only touch user repository. No cross contamination, everything has its place. It will be easier to maintain and there will be no surprise bugs. So let's do a quick recap. So SRP, one class should have one job only and it helps avoid messy codes where all in one classes. So in the end, I'll give you one suggestion. Whenever you're going to create any class, just ask yourself, does this class have more than one reason to change? Then please reconsider into different classes. Thank you.